Look at this. Let's make truffle pizza. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's hop right in. We're gonna make this pizza. Listen, pre-warning, this is gonna be a little ghetto pizza, but you know, I really wanted to make this because I had truffles and I also had way overproof pizza dough that I wanted to utilize. So here I am rolling it out. It's super easy from here. For truffle pizza, I don't like to use tomato sauce. I just like to use cheese. And basically it's all about the finishing touches for this. So you're pretty much just making a flatbread. As you can see, I do not have a pizza stone or a pizza paddle at my house, which is okay. So I'm using 2 half sheet pans. So here we go, just mozzarella, no other cheese, no pungent cheese. And I preheat the oven to 550, put the half sheet pan in there preheat, and as you can see and hear, the pizza is searing pretty much. And it's like the effect of a pizza stone, but you know, just a ghetto version. Now, listen, a little bit is hanging off, but I'm gonna fix it right here. And I suggest that you make the pizza a little bit smaller so you can slide it off into the oven. But yeah, you can pretty much mimic the same results. It's just, it's not as good as a restaurant, but I'll tell you what, this is me at my house, and guess what? I make it work. So that cooks for about 7 to 8 minutes. And then boom, you end up with this. And then this is the finishing touch right here. So let the pizza cool down for like 30 seconds. And then boom, you start hitting it with truffles, finish with Parmesan. And then I take a mixture of truffle oil and olive oil because they're both fragrant, very nice. Truffle oil is usually too strong. And boom, finish it, a little bit of salt. And then look, you see how the truffles wilted ever so gently? That's what you're looking for. And honestly, I have to admit, I pretty much ate like half of this pizza. It was so delicious, so simple, yet really good. And honestly, if you get your hands on some black truffles, you gotta try it.